After 50, your body hits a fork in the road. Will it break down or level up? This isn't hype, it's biology. Whether you age with weakness or strength often comes down to one simple habit. Not long workouts, not fancy equipment, just one powerful move, done daily, that transforms how you move, feel, and function. No fluff, just real, lasting results. That move? The squat. Most folks think of it as a basic leg drill, but in truth, squats are one of the most powerful and underappreciated age-defying tools available. Why? Because they activate much more than your legs alone. Squats power up your glutes, thighs, hamstrings, hips, lower spine, and even support your posture and core muscles. In just seconds, you're jump-starting your whole system. It's like a full-body refresh, from the inside out. Here's the reality. After 50, leg strength is usually the first to go. That's why stairs feel steeper, balance gets shaky, and simple movements start to feel like hard work, but it doesn't have to be that way. Squats don't just build muscle, they trigger natural growth hormone, preserve lean mass, burn fat, and slow aging from the inside out. One move, multiple benefits. One decision to fight back. You'll likely feel more energized, steadier on your feet, and experience fewer joint twinges. And the benefits don't stop there. Squats also improve blood flow and stimulate your lymphatic system, helping your body heal faster, reduce swelling, and flush out waste. Achy knees in the morning, low energy when the day starts? Squats can help clear that up. Imagine yourself doing gardening with ease, or picture yourself playing with your grandkids without any fear of knee strain. That's what just a few daily squats can do. Here's how to do them the right way. Stand upright, feet about hip-width apart. Tighten your core. Shift your hips backward like you're easing into a chair. Lift your chest and keep your spine straight. Avoid rounding your back. Lower down until your thighs are level with the floor, or as deep as feels right for your body. Then push through your heels and come back up to standing. That's a clean, proper rep. No need to crank out 100 right away. Start small, just 5 to 8 squats a day, and stick with it. Over time, as your form improves, you can add more reps or sets. Your body will quickly adapt. You'll gain strength. You'll move with ease. You'll notice a rise in energy and a new sense of control. This is the way to stay strong, agile, and self-reliant through your 60s, 70s, and well beyond. Growing older doesn't mean slowing down. It means getting wiser, moving with purpose, tapping into your true power. So get off the couch. Start moving. Your body's transformation begins today. And if you're ready to reclaim your health, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Because we're only getting started. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. With just one consistent move, like the deep squat, you can rebuild strength, protect your joints, boost testosterone, and stay mobile well into your 50s, 60s, and beyond. You don't need fancy equipment, just a little effort each day. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend who needs this, and subscribe for more simple science-backed tips to stay strong, active, and youthful, no matter your age.